Hello, guys. So, here are the ways in which you can make money online, and they are very straightforward. And I hope they work out for you as they have worked out for many people as well. So, for the first method is creating or YouTube or TikTok shorts. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over to YouTube and find a long podcast. For example, this podcast here, you're going to copy the link. You're going to paste the link into a website where it will generate videos for you. For example, this is Opus Clip. You're going to paste this link here and it will generate clips like this. So this app works on the basis of credits, so it can give you some free credits to make some YouTube shorts or TikTok shorts. So for the next step is you're going to create a YouTube shorts account whereby you'll be posting videos like these ones. So as you can see, this is an example of a video that is as a result of used YouTube shorts. Also, you can create a TikTok account whereby you can be posting this content. Now, for the next step is you can choose a niche, maybe beauty, maybe cars, maybe fashion. You can choose a niche between all those that you'd like, and you can generate a script based on the niche that you've chosen. So for me, I've chosen this niche of create a script on the 5 ways to make money online, and it has created a script for me here, as you can see. So all you need is chat GPT, and for the next step is you're going to go to the app that will produce an audio for this niche, for this script that you have chosen. So all you need to do is to paste your script here, and it will generate a video for you, and you'll get to choose between a wide range of option of voices, and maybe you choose the one that you like. And now for the next step is you're going to create the content for the video that you are creating. Now you're going to use this app here, or the app that you prefer. For me, I use InVideo, and it's going to create content for you based on the voice script that you have written down. And now all you need to do is to post this video. So basically, all you need to do is to be consistent with your posting, and it will hopefully get views that will generate money for you. So that is a very straightforward method. And now for the next step is copywriting. Now a copywriter is a professional that makes text copies for email campaigns or any sort of promotional material. Now you might be wondering, you are not a copywriter, but you can make this possible through help from an AI. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Instagram and find a person who is serious about growing their Instagram account. You're going to send an email pitching to them that you can grow their sales through email marketing. You're going to offer the first campaign for free. And when someone gets back, see what they are promoting. You can go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a compelling email to promote the program. Look over the email to correct the errors. And once the client is happy, you can pitch the offer as a monthly payment for you to write email campaigns for them. So that is how basically writing works, and it's very straightforward. And now for the next tip is social media account management. You're going to reach out to small businesses, platforms, all people who want to grow their account. You're going to offer your services, and you're just going to promote their services. You can use platforms like Canva, vidIQ, and Buzmo to automate your programs. These are AIs, and if the client is happy with your work, you can start negotiating the monthly prices. So that is the fourth step. And now for the final step is proofread AI content. This is basically for people who enjoy reading. So you're going to offer your services. Apps like Fiverr, Upwork, and Scribble are a good platform for you to start and test whether it can work out for you. So these are the basic 5 methods in which you can try out and see whether they will work out for you. So if you've enjoyed this content, consider subscribing.